Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: text blocks with strings in Java 13. So first of all, we'll understand what are text blocks in Java 13. So from 13th version of Java, a new preview feature was introduced known as text blocks. So what do you mean by preview feature? So preview feature means it is a temporary feature. It may or may not exist in the future release of Java. So depending upon its usage, it may or may not exist in the future release of Java. So here, text block is specially used for multi-line strings for JSON data, XML data, or HTML data. So to represent JSON data or HTML data, it was highly complex before text blocks. So what is this JSON data? So JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. So representing object data name value pairs in the form of a key value pairs. Okay. So for example, string JSON data is equals to. So here we have to use open curly brace, close curly brace. Inside this, we have to take name value or key value. So let us say my key is name. Its corresponding value is psi, comma. Second key is course and its corresponding value is Java. Okay. So name psi, course Java. Now to represent this, it is highly complex. Okay, so here we are supposed to represent key value pairs in JSON data using double quotation. And if you want to represent double quotation within double quotation of a string, we have to use escape sequence character. So escape sequence double quotes, escape sequence double quotes. So similarly, escape sequence double quotes, escape sequence double quotes. Similarly for course also, escape double quotes, escape double quotes. And for Java, escape double quotes, escape double quotes. And before every key value pair, we have to use a carriage return and a new line. Okay, so carriage return will take the cursor to the beginning of the line, and new line, it will take the cursor to the next line. And key value pairs are separated with colon. So name psi, course Java. And here we are also concatenating, okay, all these strings with plus operator. So this is very complex for writing a JSON data or HTML data in a Java program. So this is made very simple using text blocks to represent JSON data or HTML data or XML data in the form of tags. Okay, and here we use simple triple double quotes. Okay, example string JSON data text blocks. So triple double quotes opening, triple double quotes closing. Under that, JavaScript object data, open curly brace, close curly brace, name psi, key value, course Java, key value represented in double quotes. Okay, so here using text blocks, double quotes are not required for escape sequence character. Okay, so escape sequence character is not required to represent a double quotes, and carriage return is also not required. Okay, so how you represent the data? For example, this is line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4. Automatically it will be represented in the string in the same format. Okay, so using the concept of text blocks, JSON data, HTML data, or XML data is written very simple, easy to read, and it is also easy to maintain or update. So here on this text blocks string data, we can also apply string related functions like contains, index of, length. And specially we have three methods to work with text blocks in string class. So strip intent, it will remove unnecessary spaces from the beginning of a particular JSON represented string data. Translate escape, so it will translate the escape sequenced character into a regular character. For example, if you want to represent tab space inside a string, we have to use escape sequence followed by tab space. So it will be converted into regular tab space character. Next, formatted function. So this is same as that of format function with format specifier, but this works specifically for string data which is available in the form of text block. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Text blocks Java13.java. Take a new page. So write comments at the beginning of the program. Program to demo text blocks with JSON data or HTML data. So we are going to use HTML as well as JSON data also. So take the main class and then main method and save this program in your working directory. Right, so before text blocks, how JSON data was represented? So it was represented with carriage return, new line, string concatenation, and escape sequence character to represent a double quotes for key value pairs. Right, so JSON data before text blocks print this message and also print the JSON data. So let us see how this is printed on the console. So put comment for the remaining cases. Okay, right. So let us get back to the command prompt. Now compile this program. Java C text blocks Java13.java. Compile it, no error, and then run it. So open curly brace, close curly brace, carriage return, it will go to the beginning of the line and take a new line. So name Sai, key value, course Java, key value, and each key value pair is separated with comma and key colon corresponding value, and key value pairs are represented in double quotes. So this is called as JSON data, which helps us mainly in Ajax communication, okay, from client side to the server side to get partial page updates. Right, so let us do this with text blocks. Okay, so simple string JSON data text blocks variable, triple double quotes, open curly brace, name Sai, course Java. No need of carriage return, no need of new line, no need of string concatenation, and no need of escape sequence character to represent a double quotes inside a string. And then close triple double quotes. So print JSON data using text blocks and then JSON data text blocks. Print it. So save this, recompile, and run. But if you see here, JSON data using text blocks, open curly brace, close curly brace, name Sai, course Java, key value pairs. Okay, so now let us try to put this, okay, JSON data without any tab spaces. So save this. Okay, right, so without any tab spaces, key value pairs. Okay, these two, name Sai, course Java. So save it, recompile, and run. So those tab spaces are also removed. Okay, right. So similarly, we can also remove tab spaces for curly braces also, and then give only one tab space for first key and second key, name, sci, course, Java. Right, save, recompile, and run. So tab spaces are also removed. So simply name, sci, course, Java. If you remove that tab spaces also, even those are also removed from the console. Recompile and run. So simply name, sci, course, Java. Right. So now let us try to represent a HTML data. Okay. So string HTML data text blocks. So triple double quotes. Okay. So I'll take this complete HTML data without any indentations. Okay. And finally close with triple double quotes. So here we are taking angle brackets, we are taking forward slash for opening and closing a tag in HTML. So same is the case with XML data also. There also you'll have tags same like HTML, but those are user defined tags. Right. If you want, you can remove this unnecessary space also from the beginning and ending of HTML. So save this. Right. After that, finally print HTML data using text blocks and print HTML data text blocks variable. Triple double quotes opening, triple double quotes closing. Recompile and then run. So this is how HTML data is represented with single tab space, double tab space from the beginning of a line. So how you write the data or code with respect to JSON or with respect to HTML or with respect to XML. It is represented in the same way in the Java program. Right, so this is what is the speciality of text blocks, a new feature which was introduced in Java 13. And this concept of text blocks is related to strings. So string is a collection of characters represented in double quotes, but this is represented in triple double quotes. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video. And also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.